mystical market, oh so bright. Magic by day and magic by night. Wands and wonders, treasures untold. Step through the door, let the magic unfold.
Hello and welcome to JJ's Mystical Market. Today we are going to go over the Wizarding Trunk. It is a healing potions box. These are kind of like a special side box that doesn't come with your normal quarterly or bi-monthly boxes. You choose whether to have these, and I think they run usually about $48 for these. So yeah, you want to kind of see the sides. So I don't want to turn it upside down too much. It says potions, first aid. First aid in most minor magical inquiries is the only treatment necessary, but in case of serious injury, contact a professional healer and give first aid while awaiting their arrival. What to do in case of injury: make the patient comfortable. All clothing should be loose and free. Find out what part of the body is injured, hexed, or otherwise cursed, and how seriously. If in doubt as the degree of the injury, contact a professional healer. Remember, your treatment is only first aid. And then the side of here says, you kind of look at that side, and it says potions, first aid kit, elixirs and remedies. This is really heavy. First aid for minor magical illnesses and injuries. In case of serious injuries, seek professional healer care. It says St. Meriwether's sanitarium for bewitchments and magical ailments. Handle with care. Magical contents enclosed. And I think it says the same thing on both sides. Yes. So that, and then you got your top part there. So we will get into that. It looked really inviting. All right, wow, that is a whole box. Look at that. All right, I'm excited. I love potions to begin with. So this says St. Meriwether's. Okay, so it's pretty much what it said on the outside of the box. It says, remember, your treatment is only first aid. So that's a little pamphlet. Oh, and the cheat sheet. Don't look at it. Don't look. Don't look. Okay. All right. So we'll go ahead with our first item here. It is a pin, and it is double clasped in the back. And I'll go ahead and open that here. And oh, that's cute. I like that one. It is the Bone Regen Serum. That is cool. So like I think they had a bigger one that they had sent out with another box. So it's a cute pin. I like that. Looks like we got another pin, and this one is also double clasped. And it says, and I don't know if you notice on the back, it does say Wizarding Trunk exclusive. I think this one, yep, that one said the same thing. So yeah, let's see here. Right. And oh, that's cool. So it's your kind of the medical symbols there. That is kind of like a brass looking one. That's cool. If you're into like medical stuff, you know, that kind of stuff, I like it. And we got lots of these little things. I don't even know where to put them. Oh my gosh. Little wiggly worms. So many. So many. Okay. Whoa. Just put them in a pile there for now. There's so many. Okay. All right. We will start with this Phoenix Tears. Look at that. That is a nice box. Tells you on the side a little bit about it. I think, does it say the same thing on both sides? Yes, so I'll hold it there and then I'll read it as well. Oh, maybe not. My light's kind of in the way. So, among the rarest substances in magic healing, phoenix tears are renowned for their extraordinary restorative abilities. Even a single drop is said to aid in the recovery of severe magical wounds and venomous injuries, making them one of the most protected and sought after ingredients in magical medicine. And then it's just the same on either side for that as well. This is really heavy. Like that's insane. Actually, I think I might have the cards for these. That would be cool. Because I didn't have, that would be cool if they're giving potions that have to do with cards I already have. Because I think one of them I see in there already. I do have. Alright, let's see. This is a huge potion. Oh my goodness. So it says Phoenix Tears, and then it's got a Phoenix little symbol on that. That is a cool looking thing. And then you got your little charm and label there. And then on the top, you got your wax seal. And it says, oh my gosh, I cannot even read that. Healer. I can't read it all the way. It's too hard to read. But it does change color. It looks like there's some little, I think some mica in the bottom there. Let's see, kind of get that rolling around in there. I don't want the charm to hit the bottle, so shake it up, shake it up. All right, there we go. Look at that. So it was blue, and now you got that red, kind of cloudy. That is really neat looking. And you can actually, I don't know if you could see, but you can kind of see the blue through it, but maybe not. That is really neat. Yeah, that is a cool one. I like that. All right. So we got that there. And then next one is Mandragora Restorative. And that one I know I have the sheet for back here, so that would be really cool. So you can kind of see the front of that, and then it kind of tells about it there. It tells about it on each side, and then the other side is the same. And it says, prepared from mature mandrake root, Mandragora Restorative is a potent recovery draught, traditionally administered to those suffering from petrification and other deep magical afflictions. Long regarded as an essential remedy, it remains a staple among skilled healers and potion masters. I can't wait to see this one. It would be cool if there's like a one inside of your. Oh, these boxes are like really thick, and it's hard to get them open. I don't want to rip it. There we go. Okay. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Cannot wait. This one. Does it have a mandrake in it? Oh my gosh, that is really cool. It is not, I don't see the mandrake piece itself, but there are freaking plants and stuff in there. That is so cute. Look at that. Maybe you can kind of see it. I don't know. But yeah, that is the coolest potion yet. I love that. That is so cool. And then it's got the a little mandrake there. And then it's got your seal on top. I wonder if I can read this one better. Oh, it says healer approved. Yes, this one I can read better than the red one. So the red one says the same thing. It says healer approved on it. That is freaking cool. I love this. I'm like all into nature and stuff. So, and it says utilized by healers to restore that who have been petrified. And it's by Pure Blood Apothecary. This one was also from Pure Blood Apothecary. So Wow, that's freaking cool. I like that one. Excited. This is a great box. All right. So there is one item left. It looks like. Okay. So put that down there. And this one is, it says Dittany. Properties known to soothe and mend magical injuries. Also from Pure Blood Apothecary. So that's the front of that. This is actually really large. If you look at it next to this one here, this is a huge potion bottle. Actually, I'm going to take these little wiggly worms and move them so that when I do open that, I can show you everything we got here. Okay. So many. I find wiggly worms like freaking everywhere after I'm done opening these boxes. Actually, let me read it on the side. Okay, so Dittany, commonly used by healers. Dittany is a well-known restorative potion ingredient valued for its ability to aid in the treatment and magical injuries, cuts, burns, and other minor mishaps. A staple in many healing cabinets, it has long been trusted for its restorative properties. I love the detail that they go into making these. They put all this information on the boxes, on the potions. Like, it's really cool. All right, let's see what this one looks like. After that Mandrake one, I don't know if they can live up to that anymore for me. We'll see. Oh man, maybe. This one looks really cool. I don't know if it's as cool, but it is equally as cool. Oh, there's rocks and stuff in here. Oh my gosh. Let's see if I can get that to go down. Alright, there we go. Make them all fall down so you can kind of see it. Okay. So Dittany, like I said, it says known to soothe and mend magical properties. So that's what it looks like from the front. Then you got a gold seal, and you got your healer approved stamp on the top. And let's see if does that one say the same. This one says Pure Blood Apothecary. But look at that. It has the plant, and then it's got the rocks in the bottom. That is cool. That is really cool. I am definitely digging this set. All right, I will sit there and I will show you what we got here. All right, so that is what we got in today's Wizarding Trunk box for the healing potions. Really cool details on all of it. I absolutely love this box. All right, so now we will go over the little cheat sheet here. So first item, my favorite in this box. I don't think you could hide that. So the Mandragora restorative, a restorative draught reserved for those suffering the side effects of magical power or powerful magical afflictions, best administered only after the patient has been properly stabilized. So there's that, and then the healer pin. So that would be this one here. This pin adorns all the qualified healers at St. Meriwether's. So, and then next we have the Dittany, which was really cool. A trusted herbal remedy prized for its remarkable restorative qualities. A well-stocked apothecary is seldom without a bottle close at hand. So there's that. And then bone regen pin. This bottle comes in handy when your bones have been broken or magically removed. That still got me. Why would he do that to Harry? But anyway. And then 5 is the Phoenix Tears. So, an exceptionally rare restorative of legendary renown. Few magical remedies are held in higher regard for their remarkable healing properties. So there's that. And that is all of it. So it says these were all made from Pure Blood Apothecary, only the purest of potions. And then next theme is From the Depths. So yeah, and then the Dittany label was by Here Be Monsters. The restorative label for the bottle was made by Wizardry Workshop. And then they were all potions bottled and pin designs were by Pure Blood Apothecary. So Pure Blood also made the pins. So really cool box. I love it. And just so I'll say it one more time. So it's the Perfect Potions box. And it's for July of 2026 from Wizardingtrunk. So, all right. Well, obviously, you know, this one is my favorite. I do really like this one, but this is still my favorite. So I guess in the comments, let me know which one it was your favorite. And if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe. And until next time, may the stars light your way and blessed be.